Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Ensure your phone has mobile data or Wi-Fi and airplane mode is off, because messages fail when offline. Once done, quit WhatsApp fully and restart the app. If Android, clear the cache to remove stuck data. Make sure you're on the latest app version to rule out known bugs. Then attempt to send a simple text. This first send confirms whether basic connectivity and the app state were the root cause. Now dig into the middle steps. Test sending to a different contact and a group to see if the problem is recipient-specific. Next, reset network settings or switch networks, toggle between mobile data and Wi-Fi, and if possible switch Wi-Fi bands because DNS or NAT issues can block delivery. If that fails, reinstall WhatsApp or install the stable/beta channel to fix app-level corruption. Make sure backups are current before reinstalling, so you don't lose chat history. Finish by restoring your chat backup only after you confirm the reinstall resolved send failures, because restoring a broken state can reintroduce the issue. Once restored, retest message delivery and review queued messages. If messages still won't send, capture timestamps and enable diagnostic logs, then contact WhatsApp support with those details. As a key troubleshooting tip, use WhatsApp web or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.